So I'm watching a Facebook video, poker game, and it's looking to me like it might be just what they put videos up of, but it's almost like to see what they're posting. A lot of these like high roller games, they're really playing kind of like a 35% range, like almost any suited connected. And then if they connect with the flop like in any way, it's just like everybody who connected with the flop is all in. And they're like top pair versus two pair, straight draws, flush draws. Like it's almost like they're scared to get bluffed. Like they like, and I've been saying this for like months. You can't bluff anybody out here. Like it's like people are scared to get bluffed and they just won't fucking fold if they have like any sort of connection with the flop. They're not folding anything. And if they have a pocket pair, they might as well already gone all in. Like it gets so loose. Like so I'm just like thinking like is that how I gotta play? Like maybe that's how I have to play. Like you just have to donk your whole stack off. Like try to connect with the flop in some way, and if you flop in the neighborhood, then just bet raise. Fucking shove all in. Like am I really have to fucking play like that? Like that's the only thing. And then I just can't believe how like I feel like my whole life, man, like these girls are just like it doesn't matter if I got an old rundown truck or a brand new truck or a nice car or a shitty car. Like it's like everything is a fucking something for them to talk shit to me about. Like people are just so fucking mean to me, man. Especially girls. Like what the fuck is their problem?